if we step back from going motivation, yep, whatever, nice word, put the word over there, it is a state. We can be a state of excitement, we can be a state of meh, we can be a state of whatever. What we want to start now looking at is to go, how do I get to that state of motivation, or how to have that feeling where I've got this massive internal drive where I feel like I can just give it all of my effort and intensity? That's what we start to look at, is what motivation is actually about. It's about your direction. Where are you heading? That's all it is. And so we said before, you've got that thing out there, that's where you're freaking well heading for. And then how much effort, how much of that pull are you allowing yourself to be absorbed with, to be able to then go, there's what I want to get to, that's what I'm going to get. It's the thing that gets you up in the morning. It's the thing that you think of. So if we take motivations, put it over to the side for now. So we'll go, okay, cool, we're going to put it on the bookshelf for now. The word motivation can start sitting over here. We want to start looking at that concept of, where am I going? What is it that I want to head towards? That's your direction. So now if our mindset now starts to go, okay, cool, I'm going to change this state of mind and go, where do I want to head to? What is it that I want to achieve? That's our direction. When we look at things and we go to start a piece of work, what do I want to achieve? There's your fucking direction. You're right. And then intensity. How much effort, how much of my energy, how much of my focus am I going to put on that thing? And that's when we start to see what level of that state we are actually at. And then you can change it. And so when we walk into this right at the beginning, where you're like, oh, my motivation level's at anywhere between 4 and 6. That state is between a 4 and a 6. We want to change that state so it all then becomes between 8 and 10. All you have to do is change the state. That's all it is. Simple. That's as simple as it is. We can take that label thing, whatever word, that's all stuff, put it over there on a fucking bookshelf and go, right, where do I want to go? What do I want to achieve? What do I want to attempt? Easy question. And then it allows you to connect this and whatever it is that you're doing. So instead of going, no, well, let's go and clean out the fridge. Is the fridge in line with where you want to go in your life? Or is it in line with what it is that you want to achieve right here, right now? No, but I'd like to. Cool, good answer, that's okay. How much effort and intensity are you going to put into doing that piece of work that you've got to do at the moment? Well, right now it feels like about a 5. How can I change my state? What you're doing is taking back control. You are taking back the talkie stick, and if you haven't been on any of our other things, I refer to these things as my favourite pen, and I have 2 of them. Distraction's great, see? 2 of these pens, talkie sticks, you take the power back, alright? So when that sucker, that's what you're doing. There's where I'm heading because this is what I want to achieve. The fridge can wait and that's okay. It's a decision. There's where I want to go. Now because I've identified that direction that I want to go in because it's in line with my purpose and it's in line with my passion, then I get pulled to go and do something about it. And that pull to start with might actually only be at about a 4 or 5 or 6. And that's okay. Because then we can start to take back control and change our intensity and our focus on where we're going.